Off to the track for the... That was fast. Loading up the slicks. We are off to the track for the first time in a year. Kind of nervous, but we'll see how it goes. We'll grab all the tools, everything I need, and we'll head on down.
Later.
Well, guys, we're on our way home from the track. We had a very successful night. I only ended up doing 3 runs. I'll show you all 3 of those runs, but I am very happy with how this thing ran. Still got a little bit of dialing in to do, we'll say, because she makes so much torque. It literally wanted to spin the first 3 gears. You'll see what I mean, but I'll save the best time there. But I'll just say that I'm very happy with how it performed tonight. There's still got more left in it. I'm sure we can get it faster yet, but for right now, I'll call it a win, and I'm happy. Thanks for watching, guys, and enjoy these runs at the track. Let's see what we got. We're gonna probably not go full blast here, but just a bit of stage in here. Well, we had some traction issues there, I think, or something happened, but not my best run, but I think we did okay. Made it through it anyways. Everything's working good. I think we did all right. Not sure what the traction issues, though, if it was spinning or what, if the clutch was slipping or anything, but it definitely wasn't hooking up as good as I hoped. And that was probably only a 13-second run. Thank you. Yeah, 13.1 at 108, so not bad. We're going to go again, though. See if we can get a little better hookup this time. We got a 2.2 60 foot on that time, so definitely not hooking up good there. Did better on that one. Engine sounds like it's still alive. Everything is looking good. I think we're gonna have to drop our tire pressure or something because we are still spinning like crazy on slicks. That should be a 12. I don't know exactly how fast, but that should be at least a 12 on that one. And I'm hoping at least 110 miles an hour, best guess. But we'll see. that felt fast. Jeez. I hit 5th gear on that one. I don't know if that was the right thing to do, but I was maxing out 4th gear, so I didn't want to blow up the engine by over revving it. But I think that was the right choice. The time slip will tell. Thank you. Well, we'll get up here, we'll see what she did. 12:57. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Got a new best mile an hour and new best time. I'm happy. That's it for the night. I'm gonna wrap her up. That's all I could ask for. $12.57. 112.49.